Magnetic film small plane interesting truck breakthrough. Explore the fun of diversified magnetic splicing. Learn hands-on ability in games. Stimulate brain imagination and improve children's creativity. The modeling is changeable. The strong magnetic adsorption is stable and does not fall apart. And the scene simulation is a real experience. Explore diversified playing methods. Aircraft lifting, rocket rotating projection platform, gliding downhill, high-speed climbing, single-track roller coaster, thrilling stimulation. Explore the space construction. Activate the baby's thinking. Combine at will. Double the puzzle. Parent-child interaction. And creatively build a new and special magnetic 3-dimensional 3D building block track with the child.